Hello students, standard 5th subject mathematics. Today we will continue with chapter 7 circles. Topics are the circumference of a circle and an arc of a circle. The first topic is the circumference of a circle. The length of the boundary of the circle is its circumference. Now students, we will perform an activity to understand about circumference of a circle. Take one circular object, thread and scale. Now wind a thread once around the cup. Make a full circle around it. Now unwind this circle. Now measure the straightened part with a ruler. Measure this. This is 27 centimeter. The length of the part is the circumference of the circle or of the cup. So the circumference of the cup is 27 centimeter. Now see this circle. All the points which are on the circle forms the circular edge. Now wind a string once around it. Now measure the straightened part with a ruler. The length of that part is the circumference of the circle. This is 17 centimeter and 5 millimeter. So the circumference of the circle is 17 centimeter 5 millimeter. Now we will learn about arc of a circle from page number 45 of your maths textbook. Shown alongside is a plastic bangle. See, this picture of a plastic bangle. If the bangle breaks at point A and B, it will split into two parts as shown in the picture. See, this bangle split into two parts. One part is this and second part is this one. Each of these parts is an arc of a circle and these parts are called arc of a circle. On the given circle, there are 2 points P and Q. See here, in this circle, the 2 points P and Q. These 2 points have divided the circle into two parts. Each of these parts is an arc of the circle. If these 2 points P and Q divided this circle in two parts, it means this one is one arc and this is the second arc of the circle. This means that P and Q have created two arcs. P and Q are the end points of both the arcs. See, P and Q are both the points are end points of both the arcs. From the name arc PQ, we cannot say which of the two arcs we are speaking of. If we are talking about arc PQ, it will not decide whether we are talking about arc PSQ or arc PRQ. So, an additional point is taken on each arc. See, additional points are S and R. This point is used to give each arc a 3-letter name. Here is PRQ, 3 letter, and for this arc PSQ is also 3 letters. These are two arcs, arc PSQ and arc PRQ. Understand more about the arcs, we will solve problem set 31. Problem set 31. Question number 1. In the figure given alongside, points S, L, M and N are on the circle. Now answer the questions with the help of the diagram. See, question number 1. Write the names of the arcs with endpoints S and M. Now in this question, this one is circle and points are S, L, M and N. And in first one, we write the names of the arcs with the endpoints S and M. It means endpoint is S and M. Now, the two arcs are SLM and SNM. So, we write the answer. Arcs with the endpoints S and M are arc SLM and arc SNM. Second, write the names of the arcs with the endpoints L and N. Now see here, make two arcs and endpoints are L and N. So arcs are LMN and arc LSN are the two arcs with endpoints L and N. So write here answer. Arcs with the endpoints L and N are arc L, S, N and arc LSN and LMN. LMN. Question number 2. Write the names of arcs that points A, B, C and D in the given circle. Give rise to. Here, this circle, points are A, B, C and D. Arcs make with endpoints AC and BD. So arcs with endpoints A and C. Endpoints A and C. That time arc is ABC and ADC. So write here arc with endpoints A and C. Arc A, B, C and arc ADC. Now arc with endpoints B and D. B and D are arcs BAD and DCB or BCD. So here we write arc DAB and arc BCD. Question number 3. Give the names of the arcs that are made by points P, Q, R, S and T in the figure. See, in this figure, points are P, Q, R, S and T. Now, we will write the name of arcs with different endpoints. In answer, we write arcs with endpoints P and R. Here P and R are the endpoints of arc. That time the name of arcs are P, Q, R and P, T, R. So here write arc P, Q, R and arc P, T, R. And we can also write the arc name P, S, R. It is also correct. Second, arcs with endpoints Q and S are. Now endpoints are Q and S. That time arcs are QTS or QPS and QRS. So write here arc QTS and arc QRS. Now arcs with endpoints R and T are. Endpoints are R and T. That time arcs are RQT and arc RST. Now see the next arcs with endpoints S and P are. Endpoints are S and P. That time arcs name are arc STP and arc SRP. So write here arc STP and arc SRP. Arcs with endpoints Q and T are. Endpoints are Q and T. That time arcs are QST and QPT. So here write arc QST and arc QPT. Students, I have written here 2 arcs for each endpoints. I hope all of you understood today's topics. Keep practicing. Thank you.